Welcome back, food lovers. Let's dive into something delicious today. Let's begin with 100 grams of prawns, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon bottle masala, half teaspoon salt or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 sliced onions, that's 80 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Make sure to clean and wash the prawns before we start cooking. Then add cumin powder, bottle masala, coriander powder, salt and lemon juice. Now marinate it well and let it rest for an hour. For the coating, we are going to use semolina. Now coat the prawns nicely. Keep them aside and repeat the process. Next, heat oil in a pot for shallow frying and gently drop the prawns one by one into the hot oil. Now cover and cook on medium to low flame for 3 minutes on each side. Once the prawns are nicely cooked, take them out and set them aside. Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoon oil, onion and stir fry for a minute on medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon chicken masala and stir fry for a minute on low flame. Then add coriander leaves and mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoon water and mix it well for a minute on medium to low flame. Then turn off the flame and add fried prawns and mix it well.
And our prawns chakna is ready to eat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!